And it's Saturday, June 28th, the first day of my holidays, and unfortunately, the lake is looking a little too choppy for my little boat today. So, we've got two rough of waters, my first day of holidays, so I'm not getting out in the water today, unfortunately, but I did get a little present yesterday in the mail. I did order some tackle from Andrew at betterbitestackle.com. Located in Kingsville, Ontario. Always support local if you are looking for some decent quality fishing equipment. I got a package from them last year, and it was amazing quality stuff. So let's see what we got here. I got a few swim baits and some jig heads, but more importantly, these bottom bouncers. And you can see these are 5-ounce bottom bouncers. They're $5 each if you buy 3 of them. It's a good deal. That's for if I get out any deeper. I'm going to use those. And I did try the St. Clair River near Sarnia this year. I want to go back another time, so I got some heavier jig heads, some different swim baits. I like purples. What else we got in here? Okay, these are killer. I had ordered a few of these last year. They're absolutely the best worm harnesses that I've ever used. These in the Wonder Bread color. But this little floater piece up top keeps that up. When you attach that to your bottom bouncer, this thing, I'll take one of these apart here. Might be, there we go. So Andrew custom ties these, and got a little tangle here. Anyways, you're gonna hook your minnow or your large dew worm to this thing. It's going to run just off the bottom, off behind your bottom bouncer. And of course this thing's tangled up on me right now, and I don't have my glasses on, so I can't get it off. But anyways, he's got a fluorocarbon leader. I believe it's about a 17-pound test. Little swivel here so you don't get the line twists, and the double hooks. These things are killer. These are what you're going to need. And pay attention, that little floater device there will keep it up just behind that bottom bouncer, so you're not tagging and snagging the bottom. So anyways, I ordered a bunch of different colors. Again, I like purples. I should be more than set for the year with those. You do occasionally lose them. They snag up occasionally. And Andrew was a nice guy and threw me in some bonus things. I see I got some Better Bites tackle stickers he threw in here. Some more worm harnesses, and okay, he's got a Wonder Bread trolling spoon in there too. So anyways, thanks for that, Andrew. Again, Kingsville, Ontario, support local whenever you get a chance at betterbitestackle.com. High quality stuff, good guy to deal with. This stuff I ordered on Thursday. It arrived Friday in my mailbox, so almost basically like Amazon. So I just want to show the quality and workmanship of these worm harnesses and why I like them as opposed to, say, the ones that you would get at Canadian Tire for $6. The Northlander ones I find always line twist, just a cheaper build. These things are quality. I believe that for $4 you're getting a much better quality and even at a better price. You look at the starts with the decent swivel on the end. They come all pre-packed, these little foam pads, so they're easy to get off, as opposed to the Northlander ones that are always tangled up on me. And even if you look at the detail, the bead stop, there's a bead stop there. I've never seen anybody else do bead stops. It's a I believe it's $4. I could be wrong, but I think they're $4 each for a floating worm harness.